Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a get ready with me, and we're going to do a pretty quick get ready with me using the PUR Perfect Your Selfie kit. This is available now at purcosmetics.com. I know you can purchase it at Ulta, probably a couple other places that Pure Cosmetics is sold. I believe this is the fourth installment of the Selfie kit series from Pure Cosmetics, and as I've mentioned in the Out of the Blue Get Ready With Me that I did, this is my favorite format for it. Previously, the Love Your Selfie palettes were very bulky and chunky, and you had a spot for the mascara and lip gloss and whatever the other extra was in the palette, so when you were finished with those items, you were just left with a bulky palette. This time, you are still getting the extras to make it a kit, but you have a nice slim palette, 4 face products, 6 eyeshadows, and the extras are separate. So I think that is awesome. I understand the point of having it all in one, but unless you're going to repurchase travel sizes of the exact same products, you're not going to be able to fit anything in that palette. And then there are 4 face products, which of course could be used as eyeshadows if you desire. I'm going to do a pretty quick get ready with me because I have some errands to run in a little bit, but we're going to use the things that came in this kit and test them out. So if you guys want to get ready with me, then just keep watching. I do already have my eyeshadow primer on. I have used this palette several times. You do get 3 mattes and then 3 shimmery shades. The deep brown shade I haven't used a ton because I don't really use brown eyeshadow that often. We're going to start with Purist all over the lid and then everything. The name of the shadow. Typically, from this point, I would add number 1, which is this beautiful frosty pink. I haven't used Remarkable yet, so I'm going to use Remarkable. I pretty much always apply a shimmery shade with my finger first, and then add more color with a brush, typically a foiled type of shadow, so we're just going to do that. I always want a lot of sheen on my eye makeup. Not always, but pretty much always. These shadows feel very creamy. They don't feel chalky. The mattes are a little bit powdery. I've said multiple times that doesn't bother me. I kind of like a powdery matte shadow. For me, I want more color with Remarkable, so this isn't my favorite color. So we're just gonna do this guy right here. So I'm gonna try World Class. The cocoa color. I pretty much never choose to have a brown shadow in a palette because I just prefer more vivid colors, more vibrant colors, but that's just personal preference. The formula on this is really pretty. This color isn't my first choice, but they didn't ask me when they were making this, so try with a brush. I feel like if I had put this down on a bare lid with no other colors, it would have been a prettier contrast with my pasty white skin. The mascara that came with this is the Fully Charged mascara, and I've used this mascara several times and I really like it, so I'm always excited to get another fully charged mascara. If you have never used it, it has a natural bristle brush. The next thing that we are going to use is the PUR No Filter Blurring Photography Primer. Apply to clean, moisturized skin prior to makeup application. Can also be added to your foundation or layered under powder highlighters for an instant boost of radiance and all over the body for a glowing, healthy appearance from head to toe. Shake well before use. I've never used this. Let's see. I don't really know what to expect here. Okay. It does look like it has like a, you won't be able to see, but it does look like it has a shimmer, not shimmer, like a pearlescence. I'm kind of scared. I'm sorry if you can see my mirror, but I have to see what I'm doing. Oh, whoops. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Hopefully I can use this without foundation. Does it say I can use without foundation? I mean, yeah. Yeah, because I'm not putting foundation on over this. I don't really know how I feel about that. I guess I can see it blurred a little bit, but I don't really know how I feel about this. I don't really feel anything about it, I think. There isn't a concealer in the kit because that would be kind of silly. So I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on and then I'm going to, well, I'm going to put a lot of concealer. For concealer, I just use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow and then the IT Cosmetics by PURs. There are 4 blushes in this palette. You get an assortment of shades. Each side does come with a little plastic thing. I just kept it on the blush side just to sort of keep mainly this powder kind of clean if there's any powder fallout from the blushes. I think today I'm Supreme is really beautiful, and if this won't work for you as a blush, this would be a beautiful eyeshadow. I love this sort of terracotta color. Also Overachiever, I mean that's, ooh, that's beautiful. So yeah, if those won't work for you as a blush, they will be beautiful eyeshadows. I think I'm going to be super boring and use Perfectionist today because, you know, I'm super boring. I'm not super boring. This is just my favorite blush color. Let me get a brush that's clean so you can actually see. I mean, it's clean-ish. You can see that it's picking up product, so. The blushes are not very powdery. They aren't very dusty or chalky. That's nice. And then for the lip product, we're going to use the PUR Cosmetics. Well, this is called Squad, and I'm not sure what is the lip product called. This is one of their chrome lips in the color Squad. Really pretty. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions or video suggestions, leave those down below. Do you have the Get Your Perfect Selfie kit? Tell me your thoughts. I really enjoy the PUR Cosmetics eyeshadows. I love the Fully Charged Mascara, and I like this lip product. I don't know about this primer. I'm not really sure. The packaging is really pretty. It's holographic. I'm not really sure how I feel about that, though. We'll see as I continue to use it. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.